Hello, welcome to The New Sound. Today we'll explore what a track is and how it relates to the music we make. In music production, a track simply refers to a single layer of audio or MIDI data within a project. Think of it as one piece of the puzzle in your overall music composition. Tracks can be anything: an instrument recording, a vocal line, a drum pattern, or even sound effects. In a DAW, each track is usually represented horizontally, and you can have multiple tracks playing simultaneously to create a full song. The beauty of tracks is in their versatility. You can edit them individually, add effects, adjust volumes, and pan them left to right in your stereo field. Whether you're layering vocals, instruments, or experimenting with different sounds, each track you add brings your musical vision to life. Thanks for watching. Keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.